Hello everyone, and welcome back to another taste test. Now, I know I've done drinks recently. That's gonna change. So, I found this new thing in the Dollar Tree. I was going through the Dollar Tree, I found this, I'm like, never heard of these before. Cowtails. So it's apparently some sort of caramel, the cream center. It's a strawberry smoothie flavored. Strawberry smoothie cowtails. I've heard that there's a lot more of these. There's a chocolate one. There's a normal caramel one. I got the strawberry smoothie. Never heard of these before. So, yeah. Let's try these and see. I don't know how good these are. So, we're gonna try them. See, ooh. That's how long these are. Huh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. These look like those little Twizzler things. With the little stuff inside. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Like a little gummy-like thing looks. With a little cream inside. But it's a caramel inside. Yeah. Let's try this. This is the strawberry smoothie cowtails. Let's try this. These are interesting. They're sweet, but you also get a little tanginess to them. There's something. You definitely get the strawberry smoothie in them. Huh. They're not bad. I don't know. Maybe if I'm bored and I don't know what to eat for a snack but I am in a caramel mood, maybe I'll have one of these. Maybe. But I don't know. Am I gonna finish the rest of this? You bet I am. I don't know. But, yeah, I still have more of these. I have... How many was in here? 12 count? Okay, so I have 11 left. I might have, yeah. Might as well finish the rest. I might give them to a few people, though. But, yeah. I don't know. I've never heard of these before. Maybe I just need to find out more about these. I know there's other flavors. I'll probably do a taste test video on those other ones too eventually. But for right now, that's all I have for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.